Okay, we're going to start 2-point perspective. All right, it's a little different than 1 point. It's 1 point different than 1 point. But it's also different in how you start. Okay, so let's make sure we understand 1 point perspective. 1 point perspective has one vanishing point, right?
Yep.
And you start with a shape. Okay, and that's a key difference right there, how you start. And then you do those near corners to your vanishing point, right? That's 1 point. That's what we just did. 2 point has 2 vanishing points, and typically they're on that horizon line, okay? But they're going to be pretty far apart. You don't want them narrow because that will make your perspective a very pinched, weird-looking view, and you won't like it, all right? They also need to be about the same elevation. So on your page, it might be something like that, near the top. The top fourth probably is what you're looking for. So when you do those 2 points, push them out to the side, and we're going to start with a vertical line. Okay, you can use your T-square on this, and you need to use your T-square when you do the final. You start with a vertical line, and I usually start mine slightly off center to the left or to the right. Okay? From the top and bottom of that line, you will draw vanishing lines to both vanishing points. Okay, and it makes this weird looking V shape. This is one wall, and this is another wall. And you will end those walls by choosing how far down you want the wall to go and making vertical lines. Okay? From the top of those lines that you just drew, you will draw vanishing lines, and that will give you a 2-point perspective, 3-dimensional brick. Here's the brick right here. Okay? That is the foundation for everything that we're going to do right there. Okay? That's in 2-point perspective. The end result, when we get done, will be a house like this, built just like this. Okay? That is exactly what we do right there. Okay?
Trees and everything?
Huh?
The trees and everything?
We're going to do trees and bushes and sidewalks and driveways and windows and window panes and curtains in the windows, chimneys. We're going to do a lot of stuff. But the basic idea is this. So what I want you to do right now is spend a little bit of time drawing boxes in 2-point perspective. Some of you will struggle with that a little bit. If you struggle, raise your hand and I'll come talk to you. But remember, there's only 2 types of lines you're using: vertical and vanishing point lines. That's it. And the T-square is a big help, okay? If you can do those and they're easy, add some windows and see how that looks. Okay? Same deal. Vertical, vanishing. Go.